For hoteliers, being able to see the room reports enables them to get clarity on how well their property is performing. To be able to see real-time standing on the room's business, Docyt offers the option to see the room's reports. Let's see how. After you log into Docyt, click on Business Reports from the menu label. Then select Departmental Reports. This will open the list of all reports where you will now locate the room schedule report. Docyt offers a customization option to select the desired time period and revenue sources. This is how you generate the room report of your hospitality business at Docyt.
Now, let's see how to export the reports generated on Docyt in an Excel spreadsheet. After your desired report is generated, click on the three-dot menu option from the top right corner and choose Export as Excel. By downloading the report in Excel format to your device, you gain the power to extensively analyze and manipulate the data according to your specific needs. At Docyt, the Scheduled Rooms report is designed to provide a comprehensive view of room-specific revenue and expenses. Its key components are Transient Rooms Revenue, Group Rooms Revenue, Contract Rooms Revenue, Other Rooms Revenue, and Departmental Profit. Let's see them in detail real quick. The Transient Rooms Revenue segment provides a breakdown of the revenue generated from transient bookings, that is non-group and non-contractual guests. Group Rooms Revenue outlines the revenue from group bookings. It includes any revenue generated from blocks of rooms booked together under a group rate. Contract Rooms Revenue represents the revenue derived from rooms booked under contractual agreements. Other Rooms Revenue area reports the revenue from any other sources not included in the above categories. Departmental Profit summarizes the profit earned from room operations after deducting all associated expenses.
What to do if your report data is not accurate? For any inaccurate data, consult your account manager for guidance, or write to us at support.docyt.com for assistance in troubleshooting and resolving any discrepancies. The benefits of Docyt's room schedule reports help you to understand revenue sources and adapt strategies for better results, track and manage room expenses for increased profitability, and make informed decisions based on data, such as prioritizing bookings or renegotiating contracts.